In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to day trade stocks on Robinhood using the web platform. Whether you're new to trading or just want a refresher on the process, this guide will walk you through every step you need to know to execute a successful day trade using Robinhood's website. To begin, navigate to the Robinhood website and log into your account using your credentials. It's important to make sure you're logging in through a secure internet connection and that you never share your login details with anyone else. Once you're logged in, you'll want to check that your account is eligible for day trading. On Robinhood, you need to have at least $25,000 in your account to be designated as a pattern day trader. This is a regulatory requirement, so if you don't meet this minimum balance, you won't be able to complete multiple day trades within a 5-day period. After confirming your account's eligibility, you're ready to look for potential stocks to trade. Use the search bar at the top of the site to find stocks that demonstrate high volatility and experience large price movements throughout the day. These types of stocks can provide bigger opportunities for quick gains, although they can also carry more risk. It's a good idea to do some basic research on news, recent price trends, or earnings announcements that might influence the stock's movement. Once you've found a stock you're interested in, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll see charts, performance data, and recent activity. Everything you need to make an informed decision. When you're ready to buy, click on Trade, then select Buy. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Next, you'll need to choose your order type. If you want your order to be executed immediately at the current price, select Market Order. If you prefer to set a specific price at which your order should go through, choose Limit Order and enter your desired price. After your purchase, it's essential to monitor the stock's price throughout the day. Use Robinhood's real-time charts and alerts to keep track of price changes and market news. If the stock's price moves in your favor and you're ready to sell and capture your gains, go to your portfolio, find the stock in question, and click on Trade, followed by Sell. Just like when you bought the stock, enter the number of shares you wish to sell and choose between a market order or a limit order, depending on whether you want the sale to happen instantly or only at a specific price. Finally, after reviewing your order one last time, click Submit to complete your trade. Day trading can be fast-paced, so remember to stay focused and only invest what you're willing to risk. And that's how you execute a complete day trade on Robinhood's web platform. Thanks for watching and happy trading!